Hey, good morning to January 2nd, a Monday morning. It's still morning, not even afternoon. I only got almost 7 hours. Pretty good. I gotta do things. Well, I just did the dishes. I'm very bored. I'm watching The Office. Texting friends because tomorrow I go back to school and I don't want to be not having anything for then. So I'm just gonna play now. And probably just Realm of the Mad God because it's a free browser game, but I think I downloaded TF2. So that's gonna be cool. Steam, and if I go into my lap, yeah, it's downloaded. Well, alrighty then, guys. After a really long and annoying process to recover my high-res account so that I can play Paladins, the poor man's Overwatch, and a very frustrating conversation over why I should get cursed when I have Discord, Skype, FaceTime on the iPhone, a phone, and, like, a plethora of other things, but fine, I got cursed just to stop that. So, we're gonna start playing Paladins. Right now we got Realm and Paladins, guys. So soon enough, I'm gonna get LOL, I'm gonna get Dota, I'm gonna get Toondown, and I have a Club Penguin, guys. You can't wait for this Club Penguin gameplay. It's snowing. I need a jacket. And so we seem to be going to dinner out, even though there's a snowstorm, which is allegedly bad. So this is probably gonna be pretty good. Just before I'm going to sleep, I guess, this will be me signing off on day 2 of the vlog. Day 2 of the year, which is Monday, January 2nd. Retainers in bed right now, and school's tomorrow, so it's a little bit earlier than when I went to sleep yesterday. Good night, guys. See ya tomorrow.